My mom was in the Army and she taught us how, but I don't do that. Hey y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a water and I want to know, do you make your bed in the morning every day? I don't. And I was thinking about this, and I had listened to a video that talks about the benefits of making the bed every morning, but I still don't. Some days I do. I get up and I make my bed and then I go, oh, that looks nice. But apparently not nice enough for me to make it a habit, because I don't do it every single day. I didn't do it this morning. So I just want to know, do you make the bed every day? Leave me a comment, let me know. And when I say make the bed though, I mean full on make the bed. Like you straighten up the sheets. You don't just like pull over the top cover and then go, done. And do you make hospital corners on your bed when you make it? I don't. My mom was in the Army and she taught us how, but I don't do that. That's what I want to talk about today. So let me know, do you make your bed every morning? Do you do hospital corners? Is it a habit? What? If you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's sideofawesome. And on Instagram and YouTube, it's Our Gray House. But just don't follow me in real life though, because that's creepy.